sick of SUVs that bleed your wallet dry with repairs? You need a ride that's built to last forever. Today, we're counting down the 9 SUVs that never break down. Buy once, drive forever. These budget beasts keep cruising past 300,000 miles. Let's hit the road. 1. Toyota RAV4, 2006 to 2012. 2012, $6,000 to $9,000. The Toyota RAV4 is the undisputed champ of compact SUVs, powered by a 2.4-liter or 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that routinely surpasses 300,000 miles with just oil changes, timing belt service, and occasional brake replacements. Its compact size, available all-wheel drive, and generous cargo space make it perfect for city commutes, family road trips, or light off-road adventures. U.S. News, 2025, ranks it among the top reliable used SUVs under $10,000, praising its minimal maintenance costs and bulletproof Toyota engineering. A 2010 RAV4 owner on Reddit raved, "Mine's at 320,000 miles. Original engine, no major repairs, just fluids and tires." The RAV4's legendary durability means you buy it once and drive worry-free for decades, making it a no-brainer for budget-conscious buyers seeking a forever SUV. 2. Honda CR-V, 2007 to 2011, 2011. $5,000 to $9,000. Honda's CR-V is a reliability powerhouse, with its 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine easily hitting 250,000 miles or more with basic upkeep like oil changes, tire rotations, and occasional suspension tweaks. Its spacious interior, excellent fuel economy, up to 28 miles per gallon highway, and optional AWD make it a top pick for families, commuters, or anyone needing a versatile daily driver. Kelley Blue Book, 2025, lists it as a standout used SUV for its dependability and low cost of ownership. An owner on Cars.com shared, "My 2009 CR-V's at 290,000 miles. Still has the original transmission and engine. The CR-V's simple, robust design and Honda's engineering excellence ensure it's a one-time purchase that delivers lifelong reliability without breaking the bank." 3. Toyota Highlander, 2008 to 2013, $7,000 to $10,000. The Toyota Highlander is a mid-size SUV built to endure, with its 2.7-liter four-cylinder or 3.5-liter V6 engines frequently exceeding 300,000 miles with minimal issues. Offering optional third-row seating, a buttery smooth ride, and towing capacity up to 5,000 pounds, it's ideal for growing families, road trippers, or outdoor enthusiasts hauling gear. U.S. News, 2025, highlights its stellar predicted reliability and strong resale value, making it a smart, long-term investment. A Reddit user posted, "My 2010 Highlander's at 340,000 miles. Tows my camper and handles winters like a champ with zero breakdowns." The Highlander's rugged construction and Toyota's durability legacy make it a forever SUV that saves you from the hassle and cost of frequent repair shop visits. 4. Honda Pilot, 2009 to 2015, $6,000 to $10,000. The Honda Pilot's 3.5-liter V6 engine powers this three-row SUV to 250,000 miles and beyond, with enough space for 7 passengers and a towing capacity of 4,500 pounds for boats or trailers. Its car-like handling, comfortable cabin, and high safety rating set it apart in the midsize class. Top Speed, 2025, calls it a reliable SUV that lasts a lifetime, thanks to Honda's meticulous engineering and quality materials. Owner on Edmunds noted, "My 2011 Pilot's at 280,000 miles. Original transmission, just regular fluid changes and brakes. The Pilot's durability, versatility, and family-friendly features make it a buy-once vehicle that delivers decades of worry-free driving for those needing space and reliability." 5. Subaru Forester, 2009 to 2013, $5,000 to $9,000. Subaru's Forester is a compact SUV with a 2.5-liter boxer engine and standard all-wheel drive, conquering 300,000 miles while excelling in snow, mud, or light off-road trails. Its high ground clearance, practical cargo space, and excellent visibility appeal to active drivers and outdoor enthusiasts. Consumer Reports 2025 gives it top reliability scores, citing its rugged build and low maintenance needs. A Reddit user said, "My 2010 Forester's at 310,000 miles. Handles Michigan winters like nothing. No major repairs." The Forester's all-weather prowess and Subaru's engineering make it a forever SUV that thrives in any condition, delivering peace of mind for years. 6. Suspense. Moment. Mazda CX-5. You won't believe the sixth SUV, a compact crossover that's a stealthy reliability champ with a fun-to-drive edge. Guess which one in the comments before we reveal. Mazda CX-5. 2013 to 2016, $8,000 to $10,000. The Mazda CX-5's 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter Skyactiv engines are built to last, often surpassing 250,000 miles with Mazda's efficient design, sporty handling, and premium interior. Its impressive fuel economy, up to 30 miles per gallon highway, and sleek styling add to its appeal for those wanting a reliable yet engaging drive. CarGurus 2025 praises its low breakdown rates and driver satisfaction. An owner on Cars.com shared, "My 2014 CX-5's at 260,000 miles. Feels like new, no major repairs, just oil and tires." The CX-5's blend of driving dynamics and indestructibility makes it a buy-once SUV you'll love forever. Perfect for enthusiasts on a budget. 7. Hyundai Santa Fe, 2010 to 2012, $6,000 to $9,000. The Hyundai Santa Fe's 2.4-liter four-cylinder or 3.5-liter V6 engines deliver 200,000-plus miles with routine maintenance, offering a spacious cabin, optional third-row seating, and a quiet, comfortable ride. Its value-packed features, like heated seats and a strong warranty, make it a steal. iSeeCars 2025 rates it highly for longevity, noting its affordability compared to Japanese rivals. A Quora user said, "My 2011 Santa Fe's at 240,000 miles. Reliable as a Toyota but cheaper to maintain." The Santa Fe's underrated durability and budget-friendly repairs make it a smart choice for a forever SUV that won't let you down, even under heavy family use. 8. Kia Sorento. 2011 to 2015, $7,000 to $10,000. Kia's Sorento, with its 2.4-liter four-cylinder or 3.5-liter V6 engines, hits 250,000 miles with ease, offering 3 rows, a refined cabin, and a 10-year warranty on newer models for added peace of mind. Its smooth ride and modern features make it a family favorite. Top Speed 2025 lists it as a lifetime reliable pick, citing its robust build and low repair costs. A Reddit owner noted, "My 2012 Sorrento's at 270,000 miles. Family hauler that never quits, just oil changes and brakes." The Sorrento's value, durability, and versatility ensure it's a one-time investment for lifelong reliability, perfect for budget-conscious parents or adventurers. 9. Twist. Chevrolet Tahoe. Here's the twist that'll spark heated debate. The Chevrolet Tahoe, 2007 to 2014, $8,000 to $10,000. This full-size SUV's 5.3-liter V8 engine powers it to an astonishing 400,000 miles, towing up to 8,500 pounds, with room for 8 passengers. Its rugged frame, simple mechanics, and widespread parts availability make it a durability beast, loved by fleet owners and families alike. Reddit users swear by its near-immortal lifespan, with many calling it a forever truck. A CarGurus owner said, "My 2009 Tahoe's at 380,000 miles. Still my daily driver with no major fixes, just fluids and tires. The twist? Its gas-guzzling 15 miles per gallon fuel economy has fans debating whether its unmatched reliability outweighs the pump costs. Sound off in the comments. These 9 SUVs are unbreakable legends. Buy once, drive forever, and ditch the repair shop drama. Which one's your top pick? Drop it in the comments, especially on that Tahoe twist. Smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car deals that keep you cruising. See you on the road.